friends, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to mute someone on Instagram. For this, you need to go for your profile icon or profile and go for your following. Okay, now choose that person which you wanna mute. If I choose that person, then go for in this three dot option here, then you can see a mute option in this list. So click on it and you can mute that person's post or stories or notes. You can do mute all these things, or you can uh, just mute one thing. After that you have to just go for back and it's done. So this is how you can mute someone on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.